Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today we're tackling some shorter prom hairstyles. Now, of course on this channel I'm all about teaching you guys how to do hair good and do other things good too, and today I'm getting you ready for prom. Also, how old of a reference is Zoolander? I remember when Zoolander was a current reference. It's old now. I kept these hairstyles super duper easy so you can definitely DIY them, whether it's for prom, a formal, maybe a wedding. They're great, I love them, and they came together surprisingly quickly for me, so I think you guys are gonna love it. Let's get into it. Let's start off with this really sweet knotted half updo. Now these curls are ones from my 3 ways to curl short hair video, so I will refer you to that if you want to know how to do them. But you're gonna start by taking a large section of hair on either side of your part, and that can include hair from around your face or not, it just depends on how you like to frame your face. Then pull those 2 sections to the back and tie a half knot. Once you got that knot in place, you're going to use a bobby pin to hold that knot so it doesn't come undone. And then you're just going to take the hair from the top half of the knot and pull it down in a nice little loop and pin that in place. And then I just grabbed a pretty little accessory. This is part of a headband that I just placed on top of the knot, but you could use a clip, you could use flowers, like whatever you want to do, just accessorize it a little, and that's it for this hairstyle. It's ridiculously sweet and easy, but it's also a little bit modern, which I like. You still get to be, prom-y, but it's not super duper duper done. And now onto this twisted half updo. You're gonna start with a big section of hair at the crown of your head, sweep it all back, and then twist it a couple times. I twisted mine to the right, you can choose. And then if you want, you can hold your place by using some bobby pins and the twist. Then you're going to pick up some more hair on either side and bring that hair back, grab the hair from the twist, and twist it all together. And this kind of continues that French twist look. And again, if you want to kind of hold your place, you can add in some bobby pins. The extra bobby pins are just to help you out. If you're more of a pro, just keep twisting. So I've done one more section and pinned it in place, and then I'm just going to accessorize with some pearl bobby pins. I'm placing them evenly apart, and that is it for this. I like it because it's definitely elegant without being stuffy, and you could do it with sleek straight hair or texturized wavy or curly hair and it would look so cool. And on to the braids. You're going to start by taking a section of hair on one side, sweeping it back and pinning it in place. And then we're going to go to our main side of the hair, grab a section of hair a few inches back from your hairline and braid that section. And then we're going to do another braid closer to your hairline. These sections can be as big as you want them to be, you just want to make sure you have enough room for 2 on that side of your head. Now you can sweep that first one back and we're going to put it on top of the bobby pin that's already hanging out back there. Then you can sweep back your second braid and pin it in place as well. And then this is where the magic comes in, we're adding a very, very sparkly accessory. And that's it for this hairstyle. It's so easy. I don't care if you're good at hair or not, you can do this. And it's got a whole lot of look to it. I feel like if you got the perfect accessory for your dress, it would just be amazing. Y'all know I had to throw in a braided updo though, right? So you're gonna start out with a section of hair right next to your hairline and your part, and you're gonna begin Dutch braiding your hair, going back diagonally towards the back of your head. If you want to leave any little pieces out around your face, this is a good time to do it because if you have to go back and pull it back out, it might mess up the braid, so just get it done now. Once you've gotten all the hair over the ear into your braid, you're able to switch to a lace braid, which means you're only pulling in hair from the top and on the bottom you get to braid normally. This makes it a lot easier and a lot faster and leaves the bottom of your hair free for the rest of our updo. And you're going to keep braiding until you get to the other side of the crown of your head. And once you've done that, you can braid the rest of the hair normally and hold your place with the bobby pin. Now go through and pull the braid apart for as much volume as you want. I didn't go crazy with this, but you could if you wanted like a super fluffy braid. And now to finish off the hair on top, we're just going to sweep the rest of the hair back and pin it in place just behind the ear. And then you can take the rest of your little normal braid and put it on top of that bobby pin and pin it in place, and everything is good to go. So I'm going back to my left side and doing another Dutch braid from the left side of my head to the middle of my neck. Then I'm going to braid the rest normally and secure it with a bobby pin. And finally, I'm going to braid the little nubbins on my right side normally until I get to the end and secure it with a bobby pin. And then we just have to pin everything in place. So I'm going to take the little normal braid on the right and put it right underneath our giant Dutch braid and pin that in place. Then I'm taking our hair that's left over from the left, bringing it around the bottom and pinning that in place. Now you will need to finagle things around to make sure that it looks good, but in general, this is gonna get you to where your updo is done. I love this because A, braids, but also I love giving you guys an updo option even if your hair is just shoulder length, because I know that's super great to have if you want it. So there you go, our shorter prom hairstyles. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I think these are so pretty and so easy to do, and I definitely recommend shopping around for some hair accessories because A, they're super cool again, which I am all about. It's been really fun for me. But B, if you find one that's like a perfect match with your dress, it can just pull everything together so easily and seamlessly, and then you don't have to do like gymnastics trying to make your hair look all kinds of intricate. You just put it all together and it's just the perfect little like minimal but glam touch. I'm very into it. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Of course, hit that like button if you did, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video so you can keep learning how to do hair good and do other things good too. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye!